everybody, welcome to the next trading session. Today I'm going to start with looking at the 8-hour chart because the daily chart is not really interesting on crypto right now. And let's go through all the pairs. This would have been an interesting trade, but we will not take this again. So it's kind of interesting. Let's keep this one in mind. This is most likely going up, but it does not give enough levels or VIPs for me to be absolutely sure. This is a very good level to take a trade from because it's quite bright and we have 0.382 VIP. I always like to trade those, but it has been touched before, so it kind of loses its strength. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Nothing interesting. By the way, this trade here, it hasn't been open yet, but it is the trade we entered on the previous video. Good level on XRP, again not going to take a second touch. BNB, same thing. We put a pending order, but it hasn't been hit yet. It's interesting. Let's see a 0.618 VIP zone. So, but this other resistance is quite far away. So I would not be comfortable with such a large stop. Axis, it's very good. I always like to see two zones close to each other, both having a VIP. This could have been a good trade, even though there is not really a VIP, just because the level hasn't been touched yet, and it's quite bright. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Nothing special. Okay, so I put this pending order yesterday on Solana, but when we look at the chart today, you can see that the zone has disappeared. The zone has also disappeared. So there is not enough confluence anymore. Already took the pending trade off on Binance. Not going to take this trade anymore. Let's delete the profit and stop loss drawing tool. Ape, still in this range. AVEX, nothing quite interesting. This would have been such a juicy trade, but we were not able to catch it. Matic, showing some support there. It's not good enough a trade for me to take. Doge, quite a strong level, but not enough levels. This on Binance Coin, the zone disappeared, but because it has been such a strong zone in the past, I'll keep this pending order for this day, and if it doesn't get hit today, I'll stop the order. Send, strong support. This looks like it's quite likely to go to this red zone. Let's see what the PNL would be. We would enter right now. See the small stop target here. Would be a nice trade, but I'll be disciplined and not take it. Okay, mana, not interesting. Clay, I put this on because it sometimes shows different behavior than the other coins. But as you can see, it does not really respect the fat cat zones. Well, it does here, but it does kind of disrespect these zones. So it's not a very good pair to trade this indicator with. But I still keep it on just because I like the coin. So let's go to the 1 hour. It's looking like a very good resistance on Bitcoin. Price has tried to go to it and has been rejected already 2 times. Here it got rejected too. So I will not take this trade because in the past it just disrespected it, moved all the way up, even past this point, and then got down. So a bit too risky for me. We get kind of similar price structure, no zones. Looking good, so I think there will be no more opportunities today, maybe later in the day, but for now I'll just keep the pending order on BNB and be patient. In the coming days there will probably be more setups to take, but for now we keep our risk low and only take the best setups we can find. So I can slowly build this account and get more accustomed to using this indicator. If you want to have access to the Fat Cat zones, it's part of the Honest Algo Premium indicator suite, which you can purchase on our website. I especially like to use this Fat Cat zones. I really don't use the other indicators since I created Fat Cat zones, because Fat Cat zones is just so clear and so easy to trade with in comparison to the other tools I've created in the past. So that's it. Have a good trading day.